Hey CryptoGo fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you. In today's video, we're talking about MEXC, one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges in the market. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're an experienced trader, MEXC offers great features, low fees, and huge rewards, especially if you use the MEXC YTB referral code to claim your $1,000 sign-up bonus. Let's dive in. What is MEXC? MEXC, or MEXC Exchange, was founded in 2018 and has since gained global popularity. The platform offers a wide range of features, including spot trading, margin trading, futures, and staking. One of the standout features of MEXC is its extensive list of altcoins. If you're into trading less-known tokens, MEXC has you covered with over 1,000 coins available for trade. MEXC provides a secure, fast, and user-friendly experience, making it suitable for both new traders and professionals. Whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or emerging altcoins, MEXC offers flexibility and great options for all kinds of investors. How does the $1,000 sign-up bonus work? Here's the best part. By signing up with the referral code 2V4VX, unlock up to $1,000 in rewards. Here's how you can claim it. Referral code. Use the MEXC YTB referral code when signing up. This is essential for activating the bonus. Deposit and trading volume. To unlock the full bonus, you'll need to make a deposit and start trading. MEXC rewards you based on your trading volume. So the more you trade, the higher the bonus. Bonus tiers. The $1,000 bonus is unlocked incrementally. You don't get it all at once, but rather as you hit specific trading milestones. This is a great way to motivate you to be more active on the platform. The MEXC YTB referral code is your key to getting this incredible bonus, so make sure to use it when signing up. Why choose MEXC? Now that you know about the bonus, let's explore why MEXC might be a great choice for your trading needs. 1. Wide range of cryptos. MEXC supports over 1,000 coins, including a lot of altcoins that are harder to find on other exchanges. This is perfect if you're into diversifying your portfolio and exploring new projects. 2. Low fees. MEXC has competitive fees. The standard trading fee is 0.2% for both makers and takers, which is pretty reasonable compared to other exchanges. Plus, if you hold the native token MX, you can enjoy fee reductions. 3. User-friendly interface. The platform is super easy to navigate. Whether you're using it on desktop or mobile, MEXC's interface is simple and intuitive. Even new users can quickly figure out how to place trades, view charts, and manage their portfolios. Advanced features. For those who want more advanced trading options, MEXC has you covered with margin trading and futures contracts. You can also stake coins and earn rewards, providing even more ways to grow your portfolio. 5. Security. MEXC takes security seriously. The exchange uses industry-standard encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and a withdrawal whitelist to protect your assets. A large portion of funds is kept in cold storage to prevent hacking. 6. Global availability. MEXC is available in over 70 countries, so no matter where you are, you can access the platform and start trading. The exchange also supports multiple languages and local currencies, making it accessible to a wide global audience. Disadvantages of MEXC. While MEXC offers a lot of great features, it's not without its drawbacks. 1. Limited fiat deposit options. MEXC's fiat deposit options are more limited than some other exchanges. You can deposit crypto directly, but if you prefer using traditional payment methods like bank transfers or credit cards, you may need to rely on third-party services to convert fiat into crypto. 2. Withdrawal fees. MEXC charges withdrawal fees, which can add up if you're withdrawing frequently. These fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing, so be sure to check the specific fees before moving your funds. 3. Lower recognition compared to larger exchanges. MEXC, while growing quickly, isn't as well known as giants like Binance or Coinbase. This might make some traders hesitant, especially those who prioritize using a widely recognized platform. However, MEXC is still very reputable and has shown reliability over the years. Final thoughts. All in all, MEXC is a solid choice for crypto traders. The $1,000 sign-up bonus via the referral code 2V4VX is an excellent incentive to get started. However, keep in mind the limited fiat deposit options and withdrawal fees when planning your trading strategy. Ready to jump in? Referral code 2V4VX when you sign up to claim your $1,000 bonus. The link is in the descriptive description and comments below. If you've used MEXC before, drop a comment and let me know how it went for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto content.